such thing as political murder, political bombing, or political violence. There is only criminal murder, criminal bombing, and criminal violence. We will not compromise on this.
Are you all right, Bobby?
I'm grand, Ma.
Are they feeding you all right?
I'm starting a hunger strike on the 1st of March.
You're going head-to-head with a British government who are unshakable.
Putting my life on the line is not just the only thing I can do. It's the right thing.